Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hello, everybody. This is AndreJMcClendon, and welcome to the AndreJMcClendon Show. Today is the weekly news wrap-up, and man, I'm going to go over some really good numbers, really good stuff for you guys, and some beautiful updates. All right, let's jump into it. So, this week, oil has been massacring, man. It's been a beautiful week for oil, and it went from $51 and change to $55 to $73. $55.73. Huge move. Such an easy move to take advantage of. Now, silver has been bouncing, had a nice little push right before the markets closed this Friday. Gold's been on the top, on making a double top, it might break through. But what was a massive was the US 30. Holy crap. Oh my god. I didn't get this one. I was in the oil commodities. I didn't see this one. This I saw after the whole breakout. But this thing just shot up right on Friday. And you know, there's some things some factors that played into it. If you go to forexfactory.com, click on calendar. Right, it's a bunch of U.S. news on Friday. It seems to be minor, but it could have been just some high active moves to it. But you know, guys, if you guys want to learn more about the markets, obviously I trade Forex and I trade other markets. Just hit me up in the comments and let's talk about it and let's see if you're interested in learning. But the next one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still hovering at the 3,000 to 4,000 mark. You know, I'm not a fan of cryptocurrencies, but I'll still trade it. Now, Litecoin is that massacring, beautiful thing that changed me. Oh man, like Litecoin is now in the 40s still, low 40s, and I thought it was going lower, but ooh, let's see what Litecoin. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see what Litecoin goes. Litecoin might go back to 80s, man. This thing is moving. Ooh. The next thing I've been seeing on social media, and I got personally asked about this, and I really want to see what your guys' opinions about this. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. I mean, I watched her interviews, and I'm just surprised. I'm just wow. But, you know, I don't like this stuff in politics thing, but what do you guys think? You know, about her? Just post that in the comments below. Let's move on. Now, my website has gotten some new updates. I posted some of the motivational quotes. To subscribe, you know, I can actually work now. The newsletter for the trades that we take and everything will be posted on Monday next week. We got that finally made on there. And if you want to check out other social media like my Pinterest, you know, got a lot of things on Pinterest now. So if you guys like to see business books, business audios, you can go through there. The ones that I'm promoting on there. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead. And also, you know, when it comes to business and finance, you know, I want to see what you guys think about it. You know, what questions you guys have. You know, I love doing it all day, doing business, doing financing, trading is a lot of fun. But you know, what do you guys think about the lifestyle? You think it would be something you guys want to get into? You know, comment below. But, you know, guys, just get this out here. I'd love for you guys to share this content, subscribe, like more, and you know, so we can start having a bigger conversation. And thank you guys for hanging out with me so far. I've almost got 30 subscribers, almost a year now. I've got 100 videos, so pretty awesome. I love doing this. So thank you for everything. Hope you guys like the music that's playing. And that's it, man. You guys have a beautiful week. I'll post back on Monday with my beautiful face showing this time. And that's it. Have a nice day.